In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital mandala, like the one you see here. To get started, we're going to use Sketchbook. Sketchbook or Procreate, I believe, has this option, but I'm going to show you how to do this in Sketchbook. All right, so you're going to make a new sketch. Just make it the normal screen size, that's fine. And to create the mandala, it's very easy. There's this option up at the top, it's mirroring right here in the center. You can have just two sections. You can have top and bottom. We're going to use 16 sections. You need to use the third icon in. See, here's the first one, second one, third one. We want that one, radial. Up the sections to 16. And next to 16, if it looks like this means that your strokes won't go beyond the center of each section. We want that. Extend the stroke so it should look like this, where there's little flares on the end. Now just use the color black to start with. And as far as the tool, I'm using the technical pen that's under the basic library. Technical pen black, and the size I'm using is 6. So you can adapt that to what you want. Now you're going to make basic shapes. You can do a real quick one by going something like that, but we're not going to do that. You're going to do it methodically, on purpose, with shapes made from lines. So I'm going to start right here in the center. With just a basic shape. Whoops. Make a couple outlines. To get ideas for this, you can look at other designs of mandalas and change it. Whoops, did not mean to do that. There, we still have black. So you just keep going around. Now this is just going to be black and white at first, so you can come in and change some of these lines. I'm going to make this a little thicker. It was 6, I'm going up to 9. Whoops. It's funny how the brush changes sometimes. Don't even realize it. There we go. I just wanted to fill this whole one in with black. Just change the thickness of some of the lines. Maybe I want that one thicker, but keep the back one lighter. So you're just going to keep at it. Now when you're done, you can add color. Go all the way out to the side. I am not done. This is quick. My suggestion is go to your layers, add another layer, and move it underneath, and color in that layer, so that when you pick your color, if you make a mistake, you can always just go back and delete that layer if you don't like it. Okay, I hope you have fun making your own mandala.